Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. You know we back at it like no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So you know we about to show you two of these Hondas that I bought. I actually got two Hondas, a Ford Ranger truck, a yellow one. Got a Chevy Traverse, white one, maroon one, and then I got these two Hondas. That door ain't too bad. From the picture, they made it look worse. So I think Wilson can be. I think maybe Wilson be able to fix that for a reasonable price. So hopefully, what's this? Like the thing to the windshield wipers. Then this black one. Is that faded or? Gotta get a mirror cover. Ain't nothing. Bumper. It's still in good shape, so I can fix that. Have him fix this fender and this paint right there. I wanted this like the other Hondas. Supposed to like. Can I not get in there? God dang, can I not get in here? Big struggling. It's a little dirty in the inside, but the seats are clean. It just need to be vacuumed and wiped down. And you know, you always got to get the first oil change in there. Power steering wand and some. Probably need some fluid. It don't got no check. You gotta make there, but you know, I don't know what. Need some gas. Got a maintenance required. Tire pressure. Radio work. Radio. AC kicked in real quick. Heat kicked in real quick. Shifted up in gears. So it ain't shifted up in gears fine, so it ain't got no mount. I mean, it wouldn't to drive, I ain't gonna say it ain't got no mounting here on the road. We already checked all the fluids and stuff, but you know, I always get them all changed again. But we're gonna take it to our favorite little church spot down the street, you know, to get a full walk around and full grasp of what we got. Like it's supposed to. I hate when people do this. Like, why would y'all put that? But it's like an alignment issue or something. I don't know if it's something. It's something. I hate when we got shifts. So, fix that fender and that door over there. Get some grill inserts. Put that bumper up the right way. And then I'll have to jack it up. You hear that whining? That's that power steering whine. Just a lot of scrapes and stuff. Paint need to be buffed out. That's it. Wilson fixed all of this and stuff like that. So I haven't fixed all. Y'all can tell by the thumbnail, I paid $1,500 for it. Oh, that's probably why this back tire is low. That's probably why I was doing a little swerving. Tires basically on the ground. What's the tire pressure? 32, so it's all supposed to be 32, so we'll go back and put them all at 32. But what motor it got in here? I forget if this is the 4-cylinder or the V6, but it's a 2-door coupe. Warning. Probably warning because this too. I gotta go get that part because I know that ain't supposed to how it's supposed to be. That fluid, I can see all the fluid pouring out of it, so it probably needs a new pump. Let me walk around it one more time, but it does walk around it. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. This is a 2008 Honda Accord. Has like 200,000 on it, or like right at 200,000 around there. Got it for $1,550, so I'm thinking about another like $500-600 worth of work. You know, $500-600 worth of work into here. I think $500-600 worth of work. Have about $2 grand, $2,100. Then I think these Hondas. Yeah, you see how it makes more noise. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but you can hear it making more noise when you turn it. So it's probably a little bit low. I might, you know, I don't feel like the pump is going bad. It just got a wand, so I don't know if it just needs some like I'll put some first. I'll probably just put some power steering with some of that reconditioning. So overhead, they kept the Benny's car wash and lube, so they kept the maintenance up on it. Got the pins oiled, and they went to Benny's. You know, so they kept pretty decent up on it. Well, let's go put these air in this tire and put these air all up in these tires. Make sure it's dead. Then I'll jack it up here in a second and see what's going on underneath there. Get out the way, ambulance coming. I mean, firefighter coming. Size a little. All his gears. Baby got gears. Baby got gears. Baby got all his gears. Man, it ain't all over the road and stuff like that. But I'm gonna put these air in this tire. Put the air in the tire, then I'm gonna drive it again. I'm gonna put them all at 32 and, you know, balance them all out and drive it again. But motor's good, transmission's good, just needs some body work. So I mean, you can't beat it for $1,500 on a 2008 Honda. I'm selling. I see 2003 Honda selling for like $3 grand. That's it. That should sell them at the auction. That's not even saying what they're gonna sell. So, but I think this is the 08 or 09. It's 08. So I have two. They both 08s. I paid $1,550 for both of them. You know, so $1,550. So I say if I got $500 in each of them. So I mean, let's just say even if let's say 700. So I'll say like 2,200 to 2,300 in both of them. Let's just say 22 in both of them. 2 Hondas for 2,200. One with 200,000. The other one has 170,000. But y'all see the video on that. But that one has 170,000. You really can't beat it. I gotta get this. Look at this. That ain't nothing. That's just a screwdriver. Like I said, the seats ain't dirty. They just need to be vacuumed. You know. Oh, that one's dirty. I got my little Bissell thing, you know. I got that. I got the little Bissell thing. I'll empty out all this trash and, you know, all of that. And then I'll take it. Yeah, but I'll probably end up taking it. Who knows? I might take it to Wilson today. That's it. If Oklahoma Auto Exchange calls me and tell me I got the other car, I might go around and just go ahead and take this one to Wilson, or I might just take them to them tomorrow. It's not no big of a deal. I'll take them I need to drive them both. Let me drive them both, diagnose them both, and then I'll drop them both off at Wilson at the same time and just pay them because, you know, it's only a couple more weeks at Wilson, so I got to get them while these last couple weeks. But yeah, I'm gonna put some power steering reconditioning in it and see if that does anything. And then I got the other Honda too that I showed y'all. I need to pop the hood on that one and see what's missing, because that one's a 4-cylinder, this one's a 4-cylinder. So I need to pop the hood and see exactly what's missing under this one. So I can make sure that everything is good. But other than that, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section below, is $1,500 a good deal? And also let me know what 2008 Honda Accord coupes are selling for in your area. I'm thinking they're selling about 55, so I'm thinking about 5,500, $6,000. You know, I feel like $6,000, so I can make 25. I feel like I can make $2,500 to $3,500 profit on this car after I put the money into it. So let me know in the comment section below if y'all think that's possible. That I can make $5,000 to $6,000. So if I make 5, I'll be $2,500 profit. If I make 6, be $3,500 profit. I think I can do it. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I'm out. Peace. Well, I didn't even need to jack it up, so I was gonna end the video, but y'all hear my air tank. The wheel, if y'all look at it, y'all can see like it's slanted in like that. So you can see like it's slanted in like that at an angle. Like if you see it, you see the top is out, and then it like goes in. So but now, so when I jack it up, it's gonna be either 3 things. It's either the strut is bent, either like whatever they hit, they ran over and they bent the strut, or they messed up the control arm, you know, or the A-frame. It's one of the 3. But the A-frame and the control arm is like all kind of like connected. So I don't feel like it was like wobbling up and down like the strut. I feel like it, like whatever they hit is probably more than likely it's the control arm. You know, because they probably ran over it and they probably like bent like the piece of the control arm in the A-frame. So it's probably like a little bend in the A-frame. That ain't nothing. That's like a $40 part. You know, $40 part, easy to change. So that ain't nothing. But now, kind of figured it out. You can see that one side's in. So I'll probably have to do that and then spend another 50 on getting the rear line. But I figured the problem out. Just by me coming out here, I was airing the tire up. Now I got to looking at it like you see that wheel straight, you know, up, down. This one, in. You know, the top out, bottom's in. So we figured that out. But once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll get this back tire taken out. Probably gonna need a back tire or something. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. But I appreciate y'all. I'm out. See y'all in the next video, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one.